Democrats complain about the GOP's power in appointing the next Supreme Court justice. Reports indicate the current pro-conservative climate is partially the result of an Obama-era reform. One America's Luke Glaze explains.
Following the retirement of Supreme Court Justice Anthony Kennedy, reports are giving Democrats a slim to none chance in the pivotal bid to choose his replacement. So while the country awaits the Senate's vote on the president's pick, many are pointing to a series of years-old Trump tweets that come eerily close to prophesying the current position of power the GOP majority finds itself in ahead of this landmark decision. Barack Obama spoke out in 2013 to advocate for filibuster reform, a move which would clear the way for what is called a simple majority in the Senate, essentially giving the controlling party the freedom to appoint whomever they please to the Supreme Court. A major decision to say the least, as it is a potentially lifelong position at the very peak of the nation's judicial hierarchy. Then citizen Donald Trump called out Obama for flip-flopping on the issue to benefit Democrats, who held the majority at the time.
The American people want less partisanship in this town, but everyone in this chamber knows that if the majority chooses to end the filibuster, if they choose to change the rules and put an end to democratic debate, then the fighting and the bitterness and the gridlock will only get worse.
He didn't stop there, taking to Twitter again to expose Democrat Harry Reid for following in Obama's footsteps and advocating for the exact change he condemned in 2005.
The president should not have from the United States Senate a rubber stamp for everything that he wants. And for people to suggest that you can break the rules to change the rules is un-American.
8 years later, and with the confidence of a majority leader, Mr. Reid had a change of heart. At the time, the president told Democrats they would live to regret ditching the Senate filibuster, but he wasn't the only one. Senate Majority Leader Mitch McConnell was also ahead of his time in warning Obama-era Dems that when it comes to manipulating laws, they should be careful what they wish for.
And get this, they think they can change the rules of the Senate in a way that benefits only them. If you want to play games, set yet another precedent that you'll no doubt come to regret. Say to my friends on the other side of the aisle, you'll regret this, and you may regret it a lot sooner than you think.
And now, as Democrats are rendered powerless due to their past decision, regret is hanging heavy on their side of the aisle.
Americans should make it clear that they will not tolerate a nominee chosen from President Trump's preordained list, and their voices deserve to be heard now, as Leader McConnell thought they should deserve to be heard then.
However, the president's successful appointment of the next justice depends on the complete cooperation of the 51 GOP senators on Capitol Hill, 50 without Senator McCain, a task experts say may not be so easy due to opposing views on sensitive issues like abortion. And with the upcoming midterm primaries, which could change the political face of the Senate, who will stand behind the right pick for the Republican Party?
And the problem is, in the Senate, we have 51. We don't have enough. It's a very tough situation. We need more Republicans, especially in the Senate. We have to hold the House and maybe even increase it, and I think we'll be able to do it. They keep talking about this blue wave. Their blue wave is really sputtering pretty badly. The red wave is happening. Just look what happened last night.
Luke Glaze, One America News.
Want to see more videos like this? Click on the link below and subscribe to One America News on YouTube, and call your cable provider and kindly demand that One America News is added to your lineup. Call and subscribe today.